SDK.finance. This is an introduction video to SDK.finance Core Spring Boot application. The project uses Java 17 LTS, Maven Builder, Web Server Apache Tomcat 9, Spring Boot 2.7.4, Hibernate 5.6.11. Final, PostgreSQL 16.8 as an operational database, MongoDB 8.0.4 as a database for transaction viewing. The mapping framework MapStruct is used to map between different object models, for example, entities and data transfer objects in the application. Flyway is used to control the versions of database migrations. The SDK.finance Core Application is a multi-module Maven project. The application module is the main module that gathers and builds the other modules into one executable JAR file. There are main application configurations in YAML files in the application module. Also, in this module is located the TestKit framework with more than 300 end-to-end integration tests. The API-first approach is used for project development. Data transfer objects, server interfaces, and REST clients generated by a static Open API schema are used for developing the REST controllers at the presentation layer and for writing integration tests.